Guys, let's just unpack on the case of May. Brigadier Kindakas must just be arrested, honestly, for defeating the ends of justice. How can you just decide, oh, good, to accused number 3 must be arrested? In fact, all 5 of them, these accused. Who accused number 3 must just be arrested just because when you've decided. But the description of a person did not even fit. Gunini guys explaining Guti. The dreadlocks are short, mine were long, I didn't have a gold tooth. Guys, Ninda. It's high time that he goes to Madlanga. Oh, he doesn't even have to. My cold case yake unit that doesn't even exist. He must just be arrested, this guy, honestly. We have already established, you know what, Uzungu is a liar. Yeah, nomganake ubrigadier Kininde entourage yakhe, they must actually be arrested because Umncube keeps on telling us ukuthi angimazi Uzungu. I have never met the guy ever in my life. If I knew the guy, then why is he not on the photos? He brings photos from nowhere and then people believe him. No, actually, I don't believe him. I'm not trying to people because I don't. Ubrigadier Kininde kuphela who believes in that crap. Actually, obviously he went along naye Uzungu naye was just like inside. If I'm going to get a promotion, and Uzungu is still a constable, guys, after how many years? Instead of concentrating on staff that's gonna help your life, you are still a constable. You even ran away to stay in Cape Town. Like, really? Kabu brigadier now, had you gone to study instead of concentrating on rubbish? And even the lies of the lime jackets, he's like, please, I wasn't even wearing that. I was wearing a jacket, khaki jacket. I wasn't even wearing anything under the jacket. They just got these photos, these guys, and started altering them and putting faces and clothes on those photos. I'm like, what are you even doing with those collage or whatever you were trying to do there with these photos? Guys, okay, they can't get away with this. Like, honestly, guys, this is wrong. So many ways. Umthobisi Ncube went on to explain ukuthi amaphoyisa amakhulu, like how Ntanzi would say it. Angithi these people are police. And I was arrested, guys, immediately after Senzo was passing. In another case that has nothing to do with Senzo, I was arrested the following year in 2015 in Feb. Everything actually was in ballistics already of what happened at the Khumalo house. But they went on. Mangithi bona uKininde ne-entourage yakhe went on to get photos, my photos and other things, bazipina to ebasuthini and say, this was me, and Uzungu is my person, Gamazi, when I don't know him from a bar soap, all of that. And they get at dirty and framed me, literally. And I really, angeni nowhere and angazan namuntu. I like how he breaks it down. I was just like he's become his own lawyer and his own investigator. But like I said in a video last week, Umncube has been looking down. He's been writing that person. Even Usbia at some stage, if you've noticed in court, he used to write a lot. This is why they know what they're talking about when they get to that stand. You know, like I always also say, tell your story. Whether they believe you or they don't believe you, it's your story. I always say, it's your story. Tell it how it is. And uyasho nkosami Umncube abantu ukuthi, you know what, they fabricated everything, especially Uzungu. So basically Uzungu was the right person for Ukininde because he knew Ntanzi, the dad, or Absalom knows Ntanzi, all of that. He was just like, oh my gosh, this is gonna work. And it looks like it's working for the past, or it has worked for the past at least 6 years. But the question every day and every time, is it gonna work forever? Okay, guys, there's nothing like this. Ukininde must just be arrested. I mean, that's just my thing.
In addition to what we have dealt with up to this far with regard to the cell phone record and these photos, is there anything that you want to add?
Mayelana ke nama cell phone record ke nale thombe lezi khona mhlambe kuyo futhi ofuna ukuthi mhlambe ke uphawule noma kusho okungazange mhlambe ekhulumeke.
Into engayisho nje mina ukuthi abasuthu now stay uzange zikufika.
The only thing that I can say, my lord, is that I never stepped my foot at Basutini Hostel,
Uzungu angimazi.
and
Constable
I don't know Constable Zungu.
uGwabeni la khuluma ngaye angimazi uGwabeni.
Even the Gwabeni that he's mentioning, I don't know him,
Makhosonke la khuluma ngaye angimazi.
including Makosonke is unknown to me.
I choose number 1 angimazi uSibili.
I don't know accused number 1, Sibiya.
I choose number 2 angimazi Ntanzi.
I don't know accused number 2, Ntanzi.
Le nto athi yenzeka lapha ePostoli say 26 October 2014 eHostel eBasuthwini. Into engazange ziyenzeke.
What he has mentioned or testified that took place on the 26th of October 2014 at the Basutini Hostel, it's something that did not happen.
Le nto le noyibona ngento eyi-1 ukuthi uZungu le nto uyayikhanda ukuthi i-statement sakhe sinamanamba eyithombe.
One thing that shows that Zungu is fabricating everything is that his statement already has picture numbers.
Akwazi ukuthi witness ibe nayithombe zecala.
It is not possible that a witness could have the pictures of the case.
Ngoba imenshina nje ngelokhuzana ngamanamba kusho ukuthi vele into babehlalele phansi ihlelwa le nto le.
Since he was mentioning the pictures according to their numbers, it is clear that they planned this whole thing.
And leli cala mina ngiqala ukulihamba 2020.
And I started attending this case in the year 2020.
2022 ngaqala ukulikhuluma kujaji inkosi enkantolo enye uJudge Maumela.
And in 2022, that's when I started, the matter started in court with Judge Maumela.
Kungekho statement sikaZungu.
At that time, there was no statement from Zungu.
Uthe makushintsha inkosi enkantolo ngelokuzana elandelayo kwase kuba nestatement sikaZungu.
When the court was changed on another date, now the Zungu statement surfaced,
Sange 31 May 2023.
which dated the 31st of May 2023.
Leso statement leso uZungu menshina ngamagama ubiza amagama enqwaba.
In that statement, Zungu mentions a lot of names.
Biza uKhalos, biza uDadla, biza uThobisi, biza uThelezi boy.
On that statement, he mentions names like Carlos, Gadla, Ntobisi, and Butelezi Boy.
Akwazi ukuthi mina ngaba uThelezi boy.
It is not possible that I could be Butelezi Boy.
uThelezi lo kade mla unengane ekhaya kithi.
The Butelezi who was before this particular court, my lord, has a child at home, in my home.
Now, which one are you referring to?
Ukhuluma ngomuphi uButelezi?
Qiniseka uThelezi.
I'm referring to Qinisekani Butelezi.
Ukhulile umdala umfana umdala ufuna grade 11.
And the child has grown, the boy is in grade 11.
So mina ngikwazi ukuthi ngaba uThelezi.
So it is not possible that I could be from the Butelezi clan.
Akusiso nje isihlobo kaButelezi.
I am not even related to the Butelezis.
Ngisho umfana wakubo omunye nengane yakithi futhi.
Another brother, or another one of his brothers has a child at home with
Yes.
one of my sisters,
Wakho omncane.
his younger brother.
So angikwazi ukuba uThelezi. Lento ukuthi uThelezi boy into ekhandwayo ehlanganiswayo ukuthi ngithathe ngifake uButelezi empini.
So I could never, or I cannot be Butelezi boy. This Butelezi boy thing is just something that they are forming.
Yonke lento ekhandwe lapha lesi statement lesiyana into engazange ziyenzeke.
Everything that was formed or planned in that statement is something that did not happen, my lord.
Lokhu ukuthi ngamagolide enini okubhalwe lesi statement into engazange zibe khona le.
The issues about having a gold that was written on that statement is something that did not take place.
Mina nginje amazinga manje izalwa kwami.
I am the way I am now. This is how I was born. This is how my truth has always been.